The Ferrari 355 Spider. A very good looking car, a very cool car. I think most car people agree. It's just a good looking body. Man, awesome. This is a car that I fell in love with when I was 16 years old. I just got my license. I say 16, maybe I was 17. Just got my license. Had a little convertible, not anything close to as cool as this. Read that owner's manual to that little car. It said to, shift gears at 3,000 RPMs or something, 2,500 RPMs. Sometimes you can get on the highway, I might go to 4,000 RPMs. Woo! Crazy. And then I'm watching a movie, The Rock, starring Nicolas Cage, back when Nicolas Cage was not crazy. He plays, I think, an FBI agent chasing down Sean Connery. Connery hops in a Hummer. Nicolas Cage gets in one of these. And he is blasting around San Francisco. And it shows that tachometer just screaming up to red line. I remember sitting in my living room and being like, wait a second. You can do that? Man, that changed my life. It also got me excited about cars for the first time. I got really like, wow, that's cool. Now, I still don't have a 355. It's nothing like that. But 355, again, it opened my eyes to driving a car in anger, driving a car at its limits. I'm still not there yet because, I'm not rich and I got to pay for my car. If I go off the track, it's going to cost me money. To go to the track costs me money. And if I happen to wreck, well, that's not good. But yeah, that car changed my view of things. Why am I talking about the 355 Spider? Well, that's a little bit of history of me, but also because for some odd reason, 355 of you folks have decided I should subscribe to this guy's channel. Man, that's crazy to me. I make poorly edited videos with, just no content. I mean, what am I doing over here? It's just me sweating a lot on camera and stuttering. I'm not even a good talker. But 355 of you have decided to subscribe. And that brightens my whole dang day. It's like, holy crap, people are actually watching these random things that I make and post. I do it because I think it's fun. I don't make any money from this. I get nothing out of this except for personal joy. I enjoy it. If I'm already doing it, why not see if other people will enjoy it too? I just stutter, by the way. Again, that will stay in because I don't edit these things. Jesus, man. So anyway, thanks guys. That's really awesome of you. All 355 of you who for some reason decide to click subscribe, I appreciate it. You have a great weekend. I'm going to do a little video about all this stuff. Not necessarily about that specifically, but all this stuff. And, well, it's coming. Like, I don't know, tomorrow? Hell, I don't know. I'm not on a schedule here. I'm just me. I'm not on a schedule. But anyway, neither here nor there. Thank you.